Snapdragon Summit 2025, Qualcomm is set to surprise the technology world on the first day of the ongoing Snapdragon Summit 2025 in Mumbai. The company's CEO Cristiano Amon has made it clear that the world will not have to wait much longer for 6G, the global network technology. Qualcomm has announced that it will start testing pre-commercial devices for 6G in 2028. Qualcomm has reminded us of 5G. Now the company is also working on a similar model for 6G. To recall, Qualcomm also introduced 5G in 2018, 2 years ahead of schedule, and its official rollout was planned for 2020. Now, the company is looking to replicate the same model with 6G. Snapdragon Summit focuses on AI. This is the 10th edition of the Snapdragon Summit, and this time Qualcomm's biggest agenda wasn't just 6G but also AI, artificial intelligence. In his keynote speech, Amon said, "We are going to bring AI everywhere. This will be the real future of innovation." The company says that in the future, AI will not be limited to smartphones but will also function as smart agents in PCs, wearables, and every connected device. This means that each of your devices will understand your needs and, in sync with your smartphone, handle tasks ranging from managing schedules to providing financial reminders. Qualcomm will launch 2 new chips. At this event, Qualcomm will also introduce 2 new platforms. Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for mobile devices. Snapdragon X2 Elite for computing devices. Both of these platforms focus on improved performance, greater efficiency, and significant AI capabilities. A new phase of AI, from on-device to cloud. Amon also noted that the structure of AI is going to change in the coming years. Currently, most AI models rely on cloud-based training, but Qualcomm's vision is to develop a tier-based system. This system will utilize large-scale cloud training, while edge-based models, local AI on the device, will process data in real time. This will not only ensure data security but also increase the speed and efficiency of AI. The company says that the amount of user data will increase exponentially in the future, and this model will be crucial to handling it. What to expect from 6G? Qualcomm's announcement has made it clear that 6G won't just be about faster internet, it will also make AI-integrated networking a reality. Devices and networks running on 6G will communicate with each other in real time, providing personalized experiences. At Snapdragon Summit 2025, Qualcomm demonstrated that the future of technology lies not just in faster networks, but in the combination of AI and 6G. While 6G will take internet speed and connectivity to new levels, AI will make every device so smart that it will act as a personal agent for you. With 6G testing beginning in 2028, the world will move into a new digital era.